Good morning for today's video. That's the Santa Lucia Ermita there on the top. Amazing. And we're going there. Ermita de Santa Lucia. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's the port in Las Fuentes.
Okay, now we go home?
No. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda, super. That's Las Fuentes, right, my love? The port?
Yes.
Las Fuentes. Grabe naman, ang ganda. Wow, it's like on the tip of the hill. So kahapon, inakyat namin yung Chivert Castle in Alcocebre, and now this one is Ermita Santa Lucia. Going up here, my love, or down? Okay. So grabe, ang nadaanan lang namin to guys, no? 2 weeks ago, pumunta kami ng La Rapita. And now, oh my goodness, look at that ocean. It's like kissing. And the other side of it, wow. So, nakita lang namin to nung pauwi kami. Tapos sabi namin, ano yung nasa taas ng ano, nasa tuktok talaga siya ng bundok. Yung parang gilid na gilid. So, okay tayo dito guys. Vlogging is life. Para pasyal ko kayo dito sa Spain. O, diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view. So, oh my goodness. Ang ganda naman ng chapel na to. So, ito yung chapel. Meron ditong close na siya. Oh, wow. Ang ganda. Oh my goodness. Napakaganda guys. Wait lang. Ikot ko kayo. Oh wow. Ang ganda ng chapel na to, in fairness. So this is the front side of the chapel. That's the front side. Grabe naman yung ano, na gano'n nito. Ang ganda. That's the front side. My love, the view over there, spectacular. Oh my goodness.
Church is open though.
No, it's closed. Look, you see the chain. It's only open, my love, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, 8:30 to 1:30. But Monday, no. Okay.
No man.
So, this is the... Okay, guys. Just happy to share you this beautiful chapel, Ermita De Santa Lucia. Okay, so maganda siguro dito pag ano. Yung akyat ka ba? At in fairness, nakiano ang panahon sa amin. Nakisama ang panahon sa amin dahil ikot ko kayo guys ha, sa view. Kasi ganda niya talaga. Super ganda. Oh my goodness. Kita niya yung view. Ayan, anong masasabi niyo dyan? So guys, ayan siya. So lovely, right? Wow. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Yung ano niya. Grabe, ang ganda. Yung top view. So this is going down. So yan lang po ang ating video, my lovely viewers. Ayan guys. Sana nakalimutan ko yung ano ko. Vlogging is life, diba? Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa pamamasyal natin dito sa Chapel Santa Lucia. Ang ganda. Ayun o. Chapel Santa Lucia. Ganda nung ano. Talaga nasa tuktok siya ng bundok guys. Napakaganda. Sobrang ganda niya. So, until next time. Sa pag-ikot-ikot natin dito sa Espanya. Ciao! Oh, wow. Going to Santa Magdalena Castle. Still cloudy. Going up there. Oh wow, the castle over there. But
It's gonna be a little treacherous here, my love.
yes.
I don't have the right tires for this.
Careful. Or maybe we can just park somewhere and walk. What do you think?
I think right down by this olive tree.
Yeah. We'll just walk then, my love. Oh my goodness. This is it. The
Because we can't turn around here.
Yeah. The Santa Magdalena Castle.
Maybe my love.
After a long walk. Not really long. Castel de Polpis. I thought it's Magdalena.
Magdalena, Santa Magdalena.
Santa Magdalena. Ah, yeah.